Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? I'm Austin Stokes, junior agribusiness major from Birmingham, Alabama, and today I'm presenting my business idea pitch about called AgriDrones. So AgriDrones is really the I'm sorry, aerial innovation that meets agriculture evolution. We make smarter drones for efficient farming and to boost productivity, lower the costs, and grow smarter. Okay. Okay. So AgriDrone is an innovative agricultural technology business to help revolutionize and innovate the use of advanced drone technology. The company we help the growing need for efficiency and sustainability in agriculture by providing these drone solutions for monitoring and treating both animals and crops. These solutions can help excuse me, lower labor costs and minimize the use of big equipment and help improve farm management overall. The company specifically equipped drones with sensors and attachments that can help provide doing tasks such as aerial surveys, soil analysis, and target spraying, and of course, animal health and crop management and monitoring. We help enable farmers to produce more crop yields and manage livestock more efficiently. So the problems that we're solving. So you see, farmers have pressure trying to increase their productivity while trying to lower labor costs and trying to improve equipment costs. And sometimes they're not always able to afford the big equipment. So we try to. So our drone kind of comes in and try to help use drones at a cheaper cost to help them with productivity. And such traditional methods of monitoring and treating animal crops are sometimes time consuming and inefficient. But we help deliver efficient and sustainable farming solutions through lowering cutting edge um, through this type of advanced technology, drone technology. And we help offer aerial monitoring, uh, targeted treatments, and data analysis. But sometimes, with other problems, because we help offer, I'm sorry, excuse me, small farmers often go through these different type of issues, but we help increase their farmer opportunities. All right, so who do we serve? We serve these small farmers, but also large scale farmers with cooperative programs such as the Tuskegee, and also Alabama farmers who are seeking efficiency and productivity to increase their productivity and to make bigger profit. These farms also in Alabama, we also help the lower Black Belt regions, such as like Montgomery County and Lowndes County. One of our competitors would be like John Deere, and our solution is to make innovative technology and have farmers use less labor so they can make more of their productivity. All right. So these are some of the financial projections. So you have your revenue, of course, your expenses, the cost, and your profit. And we would help farmers save money and make a profit to support their sustainability. All right. And then we will help try to improve farming processes, of course, like I said, lower labor costs and have less use of big equipment and use more drones that'd be cheaper and also quicker to use and improve farm management. Thank you.